Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah.
Hi guys, hello. So you're probably wondering why my hair is just sitting on the side of my head like this with this scrunchie in it. It's because this hair is just, it's not heavy, it's just that it's so freaking much of it. It was just, I didn't know how hard it would be to contain it. Just didn't know. So I'm going to be taking my hair down today, and while I'm taking my hair down, I'm going to be telling you guys things you need to know before getting butterfly locks in your head. I have had these locks in my head for about 3 weeks now, and I'm just so over it that they gotta come out of my head. Not because the hairstyle was ugly, not because it was problematic. Well, it was problematic. So I'm about to show you guys my hair. Guys, I got my shirt inside out. It's whatever. So this is how long mine is, and some of them are a little bit longer, but yeah, they're long. And I have this scrunchie in it. The scrunchie was sitting, the scrunchie was like in the middle, but I guess it moved. So the hairstyle itself was cute. My cat keeps playing with them because she thinks they're toys, so she's pulling on them all day. When I did this hairstyle, I did the rubber band method, and honestly, it doesn't look that bad, y'all. Like, I definitely could have, you know, went a little bit longer with this hairstyle. It's just that it's just so long, and I guess because I did it with rubber bands, they're a little bit more pulling on my hair than I like. So yeah, I don't like that. They just for the most part, they was cute, you know, cute hairstyle or whatever. So for the most part, they were cute. They're just really long, so it was like hard to like sleep at all. I have this bonnet, and the bonnet, this is the part you put on your head. It's like a little open right here, and then it's obviously is really long. So I would think that this bonnet would control my hairstyle, but trying to put this on my head, I messed up the elastic in it, so it's not really like stretchy anymore. It's just straight, and then it would always just slip off my hair. My hair would just, it couldn't contain my hair, so it was just like really hard to sleep. And then you see the bonnet not as long as my hair, so my hair would fold up inside the bonnet, and it would still just be so much on the back of my head that it was just really hard to sleep. So that was that. So that's that. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna cut this right here because I know that my hair is not at this length, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Just go ahead and cut that piece off. And then it usually just pull off. I'm just gonna throw it on the floor because I'm gonna pick it up later. Girl. Okay, so for the most part, it unravels. So I'm just trying to unravel it so I can get the crochet hair out. That's it right there. So that's the crochet hair, but I also crocheted some braiding hair in it. They came out real fast. That's just the hair right there. So since I did the rubber band method, the rubber band is obviously still on my hair, so it's right there. know if you guys can see it, but the rubber band is right there. And that took about like a minute or two. Yeah, so that came down really fast. So I was trying to do a couple of different methods to see how easy it was to be taken down. I know I can't just like take it down from the bottom because it's all tangled up or matted up from being sealed. So I think the easiest way for me to take these down are is to cut it and then unravel it like I just did just now. So again, I'm gonna know my hair is not all the way down here, so just cut it, try to pull it and unravel as much as I can off. So this hair, I came into a little dilemma right here while trying to take this one down, because I know all of them not going to be the easiest to take down as the one I did at first. So this part right here is, my hair's inside this part, but this part is the crochet hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that piece. And it just slides off like that. That's the crochet hair, and this is the extended braiding hair that I put on there. So we're just gonna slide that out, and bam, came out. So I'm just about to go ahead and take these down, and then I'm gonna see you guys when I'm like either almost done or just about done taking them out. I went ahead and just like chopped them all so it'd be easier for me to like take them down. So yeah, like I said, you do that and you start pulling them, unraveling them. Cause since the hair is just pretty much twisted around each other, I'm pretty sure they can just slide right off. So it's been an hour and I got half of my head down. So I want to say this is like the fastest I ever took some type of braids down. It is super late, so I'm just going to hurry up and go ahead and finish this side really fast as I can, and hope that it doesn't take as long as it did this side. Now that I kind of just got the hang of how to take it down, like I can just move at a fast pace. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take this side down. And I still have the rubber bands in my head. I took out the braiding hair or the synthetic hair, whatever you want to call it, but I still have the rubber bands in, so I gotta take the rubber bands out also. I just went ahead and just took out the hair, and then I'm gonna take out the braids. I meant the rubber bands. So yeah, just about to finish taking it down. Whew, okay guys, so this is it. Like that whole process, taking my hair down, the second half took way longer than it needed to be. Like this side took like 2 hours, maybe longer than that. Like I think it took like 2.5 hours. Why versus this side only took like an hour and like a couple of minutes. And I know by the time I got to this side, I just honestly got easily distracted. I just was like so over it, but I knew I had to finish it, so I like started watching Netflix. I was on the phone and everything. So this side just was just a pain in the ass. But yeah, I got it done. Now I'm about to take the rubber bands out, wash it, and honestly just about to put it in another protective style. I don't know what style it is, but you guys are going to see that in my next video. So yeah, that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.